Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to edit the order confirmation email in Shopify. First, log in and head to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're in, go to Settings at the lower left corner. Now, click on Notifications, then select Customer Notifications. Before we customize the actual email content, let's first edit the email template design. Here, you can upload and add your logo. Just click on Add Image. Since I've already uploaded mine, I'll go ahead and select it and click on Done. You can also resize the logo and change the accent color to match your branding. Once you're happy with the changes, click Save at the top. Then you can see here the changes you've made. Now let's move on to the order confirmation email. Go back to Customer Notifications and select Order Confirmation. To edit the content, click Edit Code in the top right corner. Here you can change the email subject. Just make sure to keep the curly bracket code intact as those are placeholder for dynamic content. Now, go to Email Body. Scroll through the code to locate the actual email body content. This is usually found after the curly bracket code blocks. For example, I'm going to update the default thank you message and add a personal touch to it. You can scan through the code and edit any of the visible content. Just be careful not to delete or change the liquid variables inside the brackets. Once you're done customizing, click on Save at the top. Then you can preview your customized email and you'll see the changes you made. And that's it. You've now successfully edited your Shopify order confirmation email. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.